1. The established equilibrium is achieved when the vertical position of G is lower than the position of the transverse metacenter, M. So, when the ship heels to a angle, say meta, the center of buoyancy B now shift to the B1. The literal distance of lever between the weight and the buoyancy in this condition result the moment that brings the ship back to its original upright position. 2. Any floating body in subjected by two opposing vertical forces. One is the body's weight W, which is downward, and the other is a buoyant force BF, which is upward. The weight is acting the center of the gravity G, and the buoyant force is acting to the center of the buoyancy BO. W and BF are always equal, and if these forces are collinear, the body will be in upright position. 3. The better way to explain this point is with the example. Let's say the ship with a full tank or container listed, the liquid in the tank or container will act as solid mass. There is center of the gravity G between the center of her volume remains constant, therefore there not cause any change in the ship megacentric height or G as the ship listed. A ship will be stable when the external force, wave, wind or storm is applied and removed. This is if G remains in the same position with GM. 4. The ship tank extends from the bottom of the tank top, shown in the red, and it's only partially filled when the ship is in upright position. The free surface of the liquid in the tank is shown as AA1. When the ship inclines to the certain angle of heel, say theta, the free surface of liquid now changes to the TT1. Also, the center of buoyancy shifts from B to B1. 5. These reference points are the metacenter denoted by an M. This is the point where the lines of the buoyancy force intersect. The center of gravity denoted by an G. This is the point through which the weight of the body may be assumed to act. The center of buoyancy denoted by B. This is the center of submerged volume. The K denoted by a K. Intact stability is one of the main aspects of the ship safety that must be considered. Inclusive of this, the ship or the vessel stability book is of the height of importance and need to be certified prior to the vessel being put in the operation.